You want to start a YouTube channel in 2026. Well, I'm going to show you how to go from absolutely nothing to ready to upload your first video in just a few minutes. First things first, create a channel. If you already have a channel and want to start another one, click Switch Account. Then view all channels and you'll see create a new channel right there. Now pick a name. You can use your actual name or name it after what the channel's about. Look at what successful channels in your niche are doing if you want some ideas, but don't stress too much because you can change this later. Next step is making your channel look professional. Head to YouTube Studio, click Customization on the left, upload a profile picture. If you're comfortable showing your face, use that because it performs way better. If not, use a clean logo with high contrast so it doesn't look terrible when it's small on a phone or computer screens. Now add a banner. This is your billboard. Tell people what your channel's about. Drop your upload schedule if you have one, or just tell them to subscribe. This is where you can show a bit of personality. There are loads of free customizable templates you can use on Canva if you don't know where to start. While you're in customization, write a quick description. What will you be making videos about? Who are the videos for? What can viewers expect if they stick around? Ooh, pro tip, throw in some keywords naturally. Words people actually search for. This helps YouTube understand what your new channel is about, so they recommend you to the right audience. In YouTube Studio, click Settings, then Channel. You'll see a spot for channel keywords. Add 5 to 10 words that describe what your channel's all about. Nobody sees these unless you have a browser extension like TubeBuddy that reveals keywords other creators are using. Keywords are important because they tell the YouTube algorithm what your channel is about. This helps people find your channel when they search and make sure your channel is shown alongside other similar content in your area of interest. This one's super uber crazy important, so do not skip it. Go to your Google account settings, find security, and turn on two-step verification. Use an authenticator app if you can, because that's your best option. If not, use your phone. Trust me, the last thing you want is to wake up one day and your channel's been hacked. This makes it so much harder for hackers to get access to your channel. That's it. Your channel is set up and protected. Now, go film something and get it uploaded. If you want more help growing on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. We drop videos like this every week.